Okay everybody, here's a continuation of our YenkoR build. This is going to be car number 1 by brand new muscle cars. This is going into a 1969 YenkoR Camaro. This happens to be the 427 all aluminum big block. Just got done custom painting it. We dropped on these beautiful 427 Chevy valve covers. This is going to have the Sniper by Holley EFI system going on it. This thing looks gorgeous. We got the wire looms and the black wires. We got our MSD distributor dropped in. All the valve train is done. Next thing is going to be happening, we'll be putting the Concept 1 front pulley system on here. And you'll be seeing it going on live TV. We're going to be shooting a live TV episode with this engine. And it'll be continue on going to David Miller from Brand New Muscle Cars. And again, this is going to be one fabulous engine once we get it on a dyno. We'll show you a little bit once we hit the dyno. Thank you.